How you doing, y'all? Monk Joseph with the Broken Buddha. I got to look up something really quick after the Christianity and Yehoshua video. I was trying to figure out the connection between Photismos and baptism, and I actually found out some pretty concrete stuff. So here's what I got to clarify that one point from the last video. I will be reading off of cards. I didn't memorize this that quick. The Greek word photismos means enlightenment and was a primary term used to describe Christian initiation in the East. For early Christians, Photismos was primarily associated with baptism, and the baptismal rite was referred to as the liturgy of holy enlightenment or holy illumination. Got two more of these and then I'll talk. Second one is that I found was the Catechism of the Catholic Church emphasizes the theological connection between baptism and Photismos, stating that baptism is called enlightenment because those who receive baptism are enlightened in their understanding. And then lastly, this is one, yeah, anyway, this is more of a slight citation. In Gregory of Nazianzus' oration on holy baptism written in 381 AD, the term baptism is interchangeable with illumination to the extent that Rufinus's Latin translation of this oration usually renders the Greek photismos as the Latin baptismos. Now, what am I talking about here? What I was talking about is one of the two rituals in Christianity being the baptism, which I did experience in real time as the current tradition. But it's interesting how it comes from the Greek photismos or enlightenment, and the connection is as a Dzogchen cave yogi having the visions of realization. The best way I can explain this is Vajrapani, not the actual yaksha, but the idea of seeing the Vajra water, um, which is a term I got from a Chinese group that I studied with. And when you see the Vajra water, you have the Vajra in hand, and that is, when you know that you are purified to a point that you will make it all the way to enlightenment. So there's a connection here that I really wanted to present in Christianity that I found, because I did start, following these steps, and then you hit the end of the steps, and there's no one here to really tell it to. So anyway, I just wanted to clarify that one point. I think that was the only time I really got sidetracked in that video. There is all kinds of other stuff about Yahushua. I'll do a part two to this, but I just wanted to clarify this one point because I did find some concrete answers to why I was so confused and mixed up about that. But thanks for stopping by. Merry Christmas, peace, and blessings.